Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about Chat GPT integration into Excel. Okay. So in this video we will understand, see, this is an image, okay? And this image, this data which is there, I want this data to be processed into the Excel file, okay? And I can do it using an AI. So what we will do, we will go to our Excel, like Microsoft Excel 365. And when you see this, you have to click on this Insert tab. After clicking on this, you have to click on the fourth tab, that is Data from the picture. And you have to click on it and get that picture inside it. So we will take this picture from the file. Now this is being stored on my computer. Okay, so I am going to take this picture. So picture has to be in the PNG or JPG format. Okay, and then we will click on open, and then it gets processed. Now can you tell me how much time will it take to do this? If you really know how to integrate ChatGPT or AI with Excel, it will not even take a minute. You know, it will take few seconds. And if you see here, it is being done. Now what is happening here? No, it is trying to get the data which it is like checking it across ki, okay, is it fine or not? Are the things fine? Like in the coffee powder, if you have, you know, O is, see, R is missing. So you can correct those things, right? Like in GeoMart, if you see, it is Geo, like 0 and O. So these kinds of small mistakes you can always, you know, correct, and then click on accept, and then insert the data. As soon as you insert the data, wow, it has been done immediately. So it has been inserted immediately and all the data is being there. Now what I'll do is, suppose my boss, or you can say anybody, gives you the task that, okay, create the chart to summarize the sales data. And second thing you have to do is find the highest selling product in it. Okay. So let me do one thing for you. The first thing is that I'm going to introduce you to the Excel file. Okay. So let me first show you the Excel file, and then we will draw the conclusions and other things on that. Okay. So this, if you see this is my Excel file, right? And if you see, we have order ID, we have date, we have retail store, product, units sold, revenue, and the cost. So if you see, this is a beautiful Excel chart. And if you have to do the analysis on this, right? How much time do you think you will take? If you do it manually, it will take a lot of time, right? But now I will teach you how can we do this using the ChatGPT or the AI integration, and how can we achieve this fast. So this we can achieve it using the analyze data function of Microsoft Excel 365. So basically, why do we need data analytics? Because any data in the raw form, we have to make some conclusion. We have to draw conclusion. We have to take out the insights from it. So that is why we will be analyzing the data. And this you have to do using this Excel. So if you can see on the right hand side, analyze data function, right? Can you see it? Here you have to click. And once you see this, you will see one bar chart, right? Which says revenue by retail store. Okay. Now, suppose from the AI, I am going to ask one question. Like how many units, okay, how many units were sold per day? Okay. So see, can you see this beautiful picture is being given or suggested by our AI. Now what will I do? I'll click on the insert pivot chart, and using this function, I'm going to insert this picture or insert this chart into my Excel, right? So this is how we can achieve an ChatGPT version and an Excel combination. right? Okay, so this is how we do the things. Okay, now once I have done this, I'll ask the next question from AI, that can you make a column chart for the same? Okay, now again I've asked a question from the chat GPT. Okay, can you make a column can you make a column chart for the same? We got this beautiful chart. Now I'm going to insert this, right? This beautiful column chart, I'm going to insert pivot chart, and I've inserted. So can you see the sheet number 2 is suggestion 2. That means that I've got the suggestion from the AI. This is a chat GPT version, right? AI integration. And if you see, it has beautifully listed all the things month wise, right? Can you see, in January we have so much, February we have so much. So if you see, you have all the details listed month wise, right? Yes, if you can see, you can draw the conclusion which chart is the highest, which bar is the highest and all, and you can get all the details from there, right? So we can draw conclusions from it, right? So here, no, you can see, like if you see this December month bar graph is the highest. So that means the sales was maximum, or you can say it was the most in the month of December. And why do we say that? Because obviously it is a holiday season. And in holiday season, what happens? There are more things, like see, more people will purchase juice or, potato chips and all. So that is the reason it is showing the bar graph, the last bar graph of December, the highest. So you can tell your boss or maybe to your stakeholders, see, this product is sold in the month of December the highest because it is an holiday season. So whenever you are going to pitch another product from the company or anything, you can tell them that December is the best month to keep in the details, right? Understood? This is how we can, draw the conclusions out of it. Okay, now let's ask another question. Like, are there any date trends? Okay, now I'm going to ask another question from AI, that are there any date trends? And let me click, wow, what a beautiful chart, right? So I'm going to insert this chart. And if you see this chart, do you see that it has identified 6 outliers? Like if you see, it has been done using date wise. So I'll just zoom in. See, it has the highest peak during December month, and you can tell that, see, during a particular month it has done these sales which is 4 times of the average sales which is showing in the graph, right? Specifically December month, and in December month also specific dates, like maybe a date you can say during Christmas or something like that. So this is the beauty wherein you can, identify and tell the things ki how you can implement, or you can sell your product or pitch in your product during a particular season or a time. And this is the beauty of our chat GPT integration with Excel, right? Okay, now we'll ask another question, like, are there any product insights? Okay, for example, I'll ask from the AI that, are there any product insights, and do you see what a beautiful chart it picks it up for you? So we'll insert this chart, and it looks so beautiful and it gives so much good advice to us also, right? How do we know? See, you can see that more than 60% of our product, out of all the product, juice is the one which is contributing the most. Like the revenue generated by juice is more than 60%, hand wash is 50%, biscuits and all are contributing, biscuits and coffee powder is 10% and so on, potato chips is 5%. And then if we talk about noodles, it is not even contributing to, the products and all. So basically, you can tell to your boss or to the person whom you are presenting the, presentation, कि see, these things like biscuits, coffee powder, potato chips and noodles, they are not even contributing or they are not generating that much revenue. Instead of that, juice and hand wash are doing so. So maybe either we can do more advertisements on juice and hand washes, or maybe we can give them a variety of juices, right? Or a mixture or some combinations, right? Okay. Now I'm going to ask the next question to AI. What is the revenue per retail store? Okay. So retail store, as you know, like supermarkets and all, right? I hope everybody knows about it, right? So what is the revenue per retail store? And wow, it gives me a beautiful bar chart. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll quickly insert this chart. Okay. And once I have inserted this chart shows a clear combination that the future retail, this store gives or contributes 30% of the things. Same way, if you see JioMart and Megamart, they are contributing to the 20% of the total sales, right? And if you see the next one, right, that means supermarket and DMart, they are not even contributing to the, they are, refurbished kind of things. They are not doing any business and all. So you can tell your boss or maybe to the person whom you are presenting the presentation, ki see, if you invest or if you tie your hands with future retail stores, they can generate a better revenue, and this way we can improve. So this is a beautiful insight, and I hope now you've understood the importance of ChatGPT or Gen AI in Excel and our different works, and this is how it can make your work easier. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed the session.